Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are good. So till now we have studied about the classification of polynomials based on their terms and degrees. So today we are going to start a new concept, that is value of a polynomial. Okay, how to find the value of a polynomial. Our concept is value of a polynomial. Suppose all the time we will write the polynomial in p of x. You can write p of y also, p of s, p of t, etc. Okay, in place of this x, y, s, t, you can choose any variable. We are having the letters from a to z. From those you can choose any variable and you can write. Writing in this form, it nothing but you can say that this is a polynomial in variable x. Okay, the meaning of p of x, p of y is nothing but in which variable the polynomial is. In the previous video we have studied about polynomial in 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. Okay, complete at a time we have observed that a polynomial is having 1 variable, 2 variables as well. Suppose x square plus 2x, it means this is a polynomial. I will write it on the board, x square plus 2x, complete 1 variable. This is a polynomial in 1 variable or polynomial in x. Okay, because overall we are using 1 variable. Suppose x square plus 2y. Now here two different variables are there, that is one is x, another one is y. So this is called polynomial in two variables or polynomial in x and y both. Suppose m square minus 2m, polynomial in one variable or polynomial in m. Okay, so these polynomials we can write like this, p of m equals to, it means that this is a polynomial in variable m. Hopefully it is clear to you people. So now we are going to study about value of a polynomial. Okay, for example, p of y equals to y square minus 2y plus 3. Okay, p of y equals to y square minus 2y plus 3. So you are observing here. First let me recapitulate the things. This is a polynomial, we know exactly. First we will write the constant here. Okay, I am recapitulating the previous information, previous knowledge of yours about polynomial. So what is the constant here? Yes, it is 3. Now this is a polynomial in one variable. Okay, what is that variable? Yes, polynomial in one variable, that is y. This afterwards we will write coefficient of y square, coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y square? Along with this variable there is no number, it means always the number is 1. So coefficient of y square is 1. Now what is the coefficient of y? Yes, it is minus 2. Now next one, degree. Degree is highest power. What is the degree? 2. Yes, exactly. Now based on degree, which type of polynomial? Yes, exactly, it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial based on degree. Now based on terms, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms, trinomial. Based on terms. Hopefully it is clear. We have learned, we have recapitulated constant, polynomial in how many variable, how to find out the coefficients, then what is degree, then based on degree which type of polynomial, based on term which type of polynomial. Okay, so let's focus towards the concept of finding the value of a polynomial. P of y, it means that this is a polynomial in variable y, and we have observed, yes, exactly, to this, in this polynomial we are having the variable as y. So this is called polynomial in y variable. The next one, at what point we have to find the value? Okay, they will give in the question at y equals to 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, more than these values also they may give. So step 1 or case 1, first one we will take when y equals to 1. These are the values of y it is given. At y is equals to 1. When y equals to 1, at that time what you will get the value of this polynomial. The next one it is given at y equals to 0. When y value is 0, at that time what you will get the value of this polynomial. That in this way we are going to solve the problem, and afterwards we are going to check what is the value you are getting for y equals to 1, y equals to 0, y equals to minus 1. Okay, so when y equals to 1, what will happen to this p of y? It becomes p of 1 equals to y square. Y is nothing but 1 we have taken here. So 1 square minus 2 times of 1 plus 3. P of 1 equals to 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 2 plus 3. Now P of 1 equals to, now this is 3, this is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2. P of 1 equals to 2. This is the value of P of 1. Okay, this is the way of finding the values of a polynomial. Now next we will see when y equals to 0, because here it is given 3 different values of y. At 1 we have done, now we have to check out for 0 and 1. So when y equals to 0, P of 0 equals to 0 square, then minus 2 times of 0 plus 3. We know very well 0 square is 0, 2 times of 0, 0 plus 3, and definitely we will get 3 only. What is this 3? P of 0. And we got the P of 0 value as 3. Now next we will check out for when y equals to minus 1. P of minus 1 equals to minus 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 plus 3. Okay. So here minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Then plus 3. Okay. Any doubts here? No doubts? You are committing the mistakes. Check out. Yes, exactly. This is for your observation, I said you. P of minus 1 it is. So minus 1 whole square, and here also you will get minus 1. Now this is minus into minus, you will get here plus. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 6. So P of minus 1 you got it as 6. Therefore, the values, the value of polynomial at y equals to 1, 0, minus 1 is, what are the values you are getting? 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6 respectively. Okay. This is the way of finding the values of the polynomial. Hopefully you have understood the concept. One more example I will explain you. Okay. Value of a polynomial. Okay. This is P of I have taken. It means this is a polynomial in variable y. we need to find, we have to find the values of this polynomial at y equals to 1, 0, minus 1. Now when y equals to n, okay, this we have not chosen of our own, it is given in the question at y equals to 1. So y equals to 1. When y equals to 1, what is the value of this polynomial? We have substituted the values p of 1 equals to, wherever y is there, at that at the place of y, we need to substitute the value of y as 1. So here you got p of 1 equals to, after simplification we got the result as 2, and here 0 we have substituted, this y we have replaced, okay, this polynomial in variable y, this y we have replaced with 0. After simplification we got the result as 3. Here we have replaced y with minus 1 and we got the result as 6. So ultimately we are writing the value of polynomial at y equals to 1, 0, minus 1 is nothing but 2, 3, 6. Okay. So this is a way of finding the values of any polynomial. Hopefully you have understood this very clearly. So inshallah we'll meet in the next video with a new concept, that is zero of a polynomial. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.